Hey, what's up, everybody? So you want to buy a BMW? Well, let me switch this. Nope. Okay. So you want to buy a BMW? One thing you want to do is find a good, reputable place to buy one from. So I'm here at Gravity Motors here in Chamblee, just outside of Atlanta, and we're going to take a look at this BMW, and I'm going to show you a few things on it. So let me get this camera flipped back around. So this is it right here. This is a 26 M5. Now this may not be the one that you're looking for, but one of the things you want to do is make sure that you have all your keys and they're not all beat up. To do a good walk around of the car and make sure the tires are in good shape, that the brakes are in good shape. Do a good look over of your interior on that car as well. Now, you're going to go ahead and open the hood up and make sure everything is present under the hood. Make sure there's no damage anywhere at your core supports, things like that. Now, this is a nearly brand new car, so this one's not really going to have a whole lot going on with it, but you want to make sure that everything is there. You know, look at your engine covers, look at your air filter boxes, make sure that's all there. Look at your radiator support, make sure it's undamaged like this one is. You want to also look at your service history. So if you come to a place like this, like here at Gravity, where I'm at right now, they'll usually be able to run a Carfax for you and show you the vehicle history and make sure that everything has been done on the car. And so we'll probably do a few others other than just the BMW, but for today we're just going to do the BMW. So, you know, look the car over real good, make sure all the components are present and accounted for. Check your rear doors, make sure that you hit all your window buttons. If it has window blinds, make sure they come up. Make sure the back ones work and they stay in place. Check your fuel door, make sure it opens as it should. Make sure all the stuff that should be in the trunk is present and accounted for. You know, if it has a spare tire cover, lift it and make sure that your spare tire is present. Make sure anything else you're supposed to have, like this one has a charging cable. Make sure everything is functional. And again, you know, open all four doors. Check all of your different sun blinds that it has. Make sure they all operate. Check all four of your tires. If you have a scanner or if you have a way to scan the car, make sure you scan it. Now, we saw this one is a hybrid, so it also has the hybrid charging door. We saw the cable was present. So this car has all its components, and like I said, whenever you're here, you go to a dealership, you go to a independent, and make sure you're checking your service records. Make sure you're looking under the car. Make sure everything is still present and accounted for, and that the car is undamaged. So that would be what I would recommend on a car purchase. Is one, start with the keys. Make sure you can drive the car. Make sure it starts up nice and smooth. Check your service history. Make sure all the components under the hood are present, and just do a good look over. If you have an opportunity to put it on a lift, do so as well. Now, if you're looking for a BMW, this dealership that I'm at right now, that I came to just to do this, has multiple BMWs on their lot. And most of them are still under warranty. So if you're looking for a BMW under warranty, this is one of the good places to come to. So check them out. Come here and see about getting a BMW if that's what you're into. If you're not looking for a BMW, there are plenty of other cars, as we can see. So we have other options here as well. So anyway, If you're looking for a good car, come here and check them out. But if you're looking for a BMW, that one looks really, really nice. But make sure you're checking all your components, that the car is present. Make sure that the service history is good, and that should get you fixed up.